Alright, this is section 4 of chapter 2. This deals with enzymes. It talks about how enzymes work and how enzymes deal with biological processes. Hush. Alright, first of all, what are enzymes and what do enzymes do? Okay? First thing you need to know about enzymes is that they are proteins. So enzymes are proteins.
Enzymes break down material. What?
Not exactly.
Okay.
Enzymes also are catalysts, and what a catalyst is something that speeds up a reaction. Enzymes are catalysts that speed up reactions. They're not permanently changed in the process, don't really have an effect as far as them breaking down and getting into the process. They simply just speed stuff up. Alright, enzymes work, or how enzymes work, is by lowering the activation energy. Okay? They lower the activation energy. What is activation energy? What does it mean? Yeah, exactly. The energy it takes to start the reaction or to activate the reaction. So activation energy is the amount of energy it takes to start a reaction. Enzymes are within that reaction and they lower that. And that's what helps speed it up. So as you can see, here's a chart. This is, without the enzyme, is the blue line. Okay, at the top of that blue line is the activation energy, which would be how much energy it actually requires to start. We put an enzyme in the process. As you can see, that lowers considerably. Therefore, that process, whatever it may be, the reaction can take place and happen much more quickly.
You want us to copy that?
No, that's fine. Alright, a couple definitions that go along with enzymes. The first one is substrate. And what a substrate is where the enzyme, or the thing that the enzyme acts on or works on. So substrates are what enzymes work on. Okay? Substrates are what things, I'm not going anywhere. So here's the enzyme, there's the substrate, and that helps lower the activation energy. Now, the active side is the next one, and the active side is where the enzyme and the substrate come together.
Do we need to draw that?
No. Just know that the active side is where the enzyme and substrate come together.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to show you a little different drawing here in just a second. So where the enzyme and substrate come together. Now when the enzyme and substrate connect at the active site, we have something called an induced fit, okay, which is what you see up there. And what an induced fit is a change in the shape of an enzyme's active site. For example, if I'm coming up to shake Michael's hand, we don't hold our hands out like this to shake, right? We have to actually grasp onto each other and shake hands. That's what an induced fit is. That's what an enzyme does. It kind of wraps itself around at the active site.
So the shake hands with that now?
Yeah, that'll work. Right, 3 things that affect enzymes. 3 things that affect enzymes. The first one, environmental conditions. That's pH, temperature, anything like that. Any environmental condition would be what affects them.
What do you have written under environmental conditions?
pH and temperature. Cofactors and coenzymes, stuff that looks maybe even acts to be like enzymes, but it's not actually enzymes. Okay, and it's kind of hard to see. I'll change the color. They look like enzymes, maybe act like enzymes, but they're not necessarily enzymes.
What do you have written under it?
Look like enzymes, but are not. And enzyme inhibitors. Okay, so that's the stuff that tries to stop. Anything that inhibits is stuff that tries to stop the enzymes. Okay?